Alright, let's give this engine some head. Alright, so I'm just going to do one last cleaning in there. And my impact wrench thingamajigger got all effed up. The carb cleaner removed some of the color from the plastic. Is that weird or what? So, oh, I cannot forget to do what I usually always forget to do when I put this back together. It's like you take your engine apart all the time. It's like I always forget to put this back on. So, and one of the bolts actually fell in the oil. So I was like, shit. It was pretty funny. Not really for me though. But, and don't yell at me for using an impact wrench on this. I know you're not supposed to, but I want to get this crap done fast. Do. Move up. Oh. I'm gonna end up drilling a new hole for it. Ba-boom, ba-boom. That's how we do it. Am I missing a bolt? Don't tell me one of them fell in the oil again. Give me back my socket. Thank you. Where'd that other bolt go? I found it. We're in luck. Give me my socket. Thank you. Perfect. And now I got head. Now it's time to put the intake back on. Don't put very much pressure on it, so doesn't crack it. Perfect. I wonder what's the next part I'm going to put back on. Oh, well, I'll just put the throttle thingamajigger back on. Okay, this is where the magneto grounds to. And this just goes back on with that same, no, a different size socket. Really? Oh, I think I found it. Alright, here we go. Different size socket. Yeah, that's it. Am I putting it back on right? Who knows? Oh, well, possibly putting it back on wrong. But I'll get it back on and make it. Alright, lawnmower's all put back together, and there's no extra parts that are missing from it. So I attached it to this stand with some screws, and now I'm going to go ahead and try to start it up. And it's probably pouring outside, so I don't know. So I'm going to put some fresh gas in there, leave that off, put some oil in it. Can't forget the oil. Crap, I'm sorry. Hopefully I have enough. I'm putting SAE 10W30 in here. But I went back together in about, 2 hours. So let me get my funnel. I put the plug on in the bottom, so it's not to forget about that. Now just fill this crap up with some oil. Probably had to put all of it in there. But I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, ho, ho. It just got on my carpet. Oh no. That is unacceptable. That is unacceptable. Oh crap, it's still saying. Well, I'll put the oil on it and I'm running out of time, so I gotta go.